So guys, I finally installed the screen protector. I mean, it's not 100%, but it's you can say 90% because there are a few bubbles which it's okay. I can use it like this also. I'll just another thing is that I also have these camera protecting covering with me. So therefore, I have to first clean the lens perfectly. Now there are a few bubbles on the sides, but it's okay because the camera lens is working, so which is what we need obviously. Yes, it's working, which is fine. That is pretty good to hear. Protector is fine, protector is there. As you can see, I've applied the glass protector over here, but there is some kind of bubbles which you might see which can hinder your experience, but I think it's fine. The lens is looks pretty solid to me. The exposure levels, I guess it's fine, so there is no need of panicking. Therefore, this thing is done. This is a Samsung Galaxy A71, which has a broken screen protector. So let's just remove the screen protector from here. As you can see, this is gone. Looks weird, so we will just first clean the screen to make sure it's free from dust and debris. It's time for me to actually apply the protector. So here is it. So here is the screen protector for this phone, and I think the front camera is pretty much messed up because it is actually being protected by the glass and also the protector. So therefore, yeah, I think this is a pretty nice addition. Now this time I have placed this glass screen protector over the already existing plastic protector of the phone, so it is pretty nice. So therefore, this is pretty easy process that you can do. I was thinking that it would be difficult, but it is pretty easy. So you just need to follow the instructions that are mentioned on your screen protector things. So you just put it over here and just place it like this. So that's pretty much it, and thank you.